Hi, I am KP Zhang, a teacher in the University of Hong Kong. I would like to introduce to you a system for Fukushima nuclear power plant. If you look at the title, this is a proposal on using mobile pumps and mobile water chillers to enhance cooling of Fukushima No. 1 nuclear power plant without discharging radiation-contaminated water into the sea. Now let us see how we can do it. Now the system consists of a mobile water chiller that is available for rental in the air conditioning industry, and we have mobile pumps which are also available in the market and also available from suppliers or rental companies. And then we have power generators, diesel power generators for example, available from many sources, and this equipment can be taken quickly to the site in Fukushima. So the pipes can help to set up the connection so the warm water from the nuclear power plant can come all this way by piping connection and going to the pumps. And the mobile pump will pump the water up to the water chillers, which are air cooled. And then the water chillers then will cool the water from the nuclear power plant and then pump it back into the nuclear power plant. So this will be a closed loop cooling system to cool the water which can be contaminated, which cannot be contaminated, depends on where the source is within the nuclear power plant. Now this is one system setup, and this can be set up in 7 days or even shorter period. And then we can set up more than one system. It can be 2 systems, 3 systems, 4 systems, and many systems, as can be available depending on the equipment surrounding the district or from other parts of the country. So the purpose is the nuclear power plant is generating a lot of heat. So the systems can do the heat removal in a closed loop cooling system to help to take away the heat of the nuclear power plant. So this should be a good system for Fukushima nuclear power plant and also for other nuclear power plants. So this is a brief introduction. So this is a mobile power generator, and it's a diesel generator. Many types are available in the market and can be rented easily, and this is to supply the power to the air-cooled water chiller. And this is a pump set, and this is a diesel pump. Now in fact, this is a diesel pump, diesel engine, this is a pump set, so water can go into the pump from this side and out of the pump for connection to the chiller. And in fact, we can use electric pumps, but we have to have another power generator so to supply power to the electrical motor. Now we have another equipment. Now this is a mobile water chiller air-cooled type of about 500 tons, and the material is available for rental from quite a number of companies in USA and also in Japan. We can rent this, in fact. The container truck can take this out to the site, and this can run connected to pipes to the various equipment to serve the closed loop cooling system for the nuclear power plant. In fact, this is a summary of the equipment to be available. The good point is this will be a closed loop cooling system, which will mean there is no discharge of radiation contaminated water into the sea by using this closed loop cooling system. In fact, this in 1991, I wrote a proposal on a backup emergency heat removal system for nuclear power plants using mobile pumps and liquid chilling units. Now, the system was to apply to all nuclear power plants, in fact, and it was based on a typical pressurized water reactor. But it can be applied to the boiling water reactor, which is a type in Fukushima, and also other types of nuclear power plants. And in fact, in the world, there are over 400 nuclear power plants, and 40 of them are in the earthquake-sensitive regions. So there is a need and an urgent need to review the provision of cooling systems, especially in case of emergencies. And this type of mobile pumps and liquid chilling systems should be applicable basically to all nuclear power plants in the world. Thank you.